mascara's been up for 2 videos in a row, so I even know myself. How did I lose an earring that I just took off of the thing? Am I losing my mind? Oh, it was literally right in front of me on this. I'm losing my mind. I really am. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be all about my best and worst mascara recommendations. I've gotten this request so many times from people on my Instagram page and just people in my life that have been like, what are the best mascaras? Please tell me. So I'm here to provide that for you. So if you want to see the best and worst mascaras in my personal opinion, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I am going to go ahead and tell you that I have a lot of L'Oreal mascaras, not on purpose, but they just do it right. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out of the way and tell you what I like about them and everything like that. So yeah, let's get into the L'Oreal ones. The first one that I want to talk about is the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I like this one because it does a really good job at lengthening my lashes. I like to use this one mostly for my bottom lashes. It does a really good job of lengthening and giving me nice bottom lashes. I don't use this one so much on my top lashes because I like big full lashes on the top, and I prefer like lengthening and volumizing on my top lashes. So this one doesn't give you much volume at all, but I do like this one for more natural days on my top lashes, and this one is such a good one for my bottom lashes. And it has a little rubber wand. You'll see in the close-ups what they look like, but that is what the little wand looks like. It's a little rubberized wand. And yeah, it's just a really good mascara. Super inexpensive. She good. The next mascara I want to talk about is also from L'Oreal. It is the Unlimited mascara. It looks like this. It's such a weird little bottle, but it's so good. This is my go-to everyday mascara because it provides a good amount of length and volume without being super dramatic like I want when I'm wearing something a little more dramatic on the eyes, obviously. And it just does a really good job, and it has a rubber tip, so it's really good at separating the lashes, making them all look very long, and it makes sure to coat every single lash, which is really great. I actually really like the bent part of it, so it can stand up straight and then it can also go sideways. That's really nice. And it actually helps a lot with getting into those lashes on the inner corners. So this is a really good mascara, also very affordable. Any mascara that I'm going to be talking about today does not flake, does not smudge or anything like that on me, wear really incredibly well. So keep that in mind as I'm telling you what my favorites are. The last and final L'Oreal foundation mascara is the OG L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This is an OG if you've been on YouTube. This is everyone's favorite drugstore mascara. It's so good. I mean, not anymore. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise is, but I don't like that one, so see. This is such a good mascara. Volumizes the lashes, lengthens the lashes, just gives you really big, thick lashes. So good. That's like all I need to say about it. It's so good, so inexpensive, and this one has a really good waterproof formula as well. If you're wanting to get a good waterproof mascara, this one's good. This one's really good. I love the packaging on this too. So pretty and cute and sleek and cute. I got mascara. I got lipstick. Into the non-L'Oreal drugstore mascaras. That's a mouthful. Okay, so there's only 2 more drugstore favorites. And the first one is the Milani Highly Rated, which is one that you guys have been hearing about a lot on my channel recently. I thought I didn't turn on my mic for a second. That would have been so bad. This mascara is a new find because it is a newer release. This mascara is so good. This is one if you're wanting dramatic lashes right here. Volumizes the lashes, lengthens the lashes, gives you big old thick lashes. So good. Holds a curl really well. So good. Like, so good. Probably one of my favorites out of everything that I'm talking about. This one. The only one that tops this one is this one. Where's the front? Okay, yeah, there we go. This mascara is so good. This is the best mascara hands down out of all of my high-end ones, out of all of my drugstore ones. Best mascara will give you the most amazing volume, amazing length, wears incredibly well, and it's like $5. So inexpensive. It's always out of stock because people know that it's good. This is the best mascara of all time. You will not be disappointed. You need to get it. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. So good. Make sure to get the one with the teal lid. There's one with a purple lid too, which is not good. But this one is good. Oh, I just love it so much. It's so good. If you're going to get one mascara, get this one. This is it. This is it right here. This is the one you need. Two more of my favorite mascaras. These are of two of the higher end ones that I really do like. The next one I want to talk about is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Oh, this is so good. This is so expensive, but so worth it. I think it's like $25 or something, which is just so incredibly stinking expensive for a mascara. I feel like the drugstore really does a good job with mascaras, so there's really no point in getting one that's a little bit more high end unless it's this one or the next one I'm going to talk about. Okay, this one is so good. Gives you the thickest, almost borderline clumpy though, so if you're not about that, don't get this one. Incredible. I love the packaging on this. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you the wand on this one. I haven't been showing you the wand on the other ones, but this one's got a big old wand, and it's more of a wet formula, and that wet formula makes your lashes really clumpy and voluminous. The only thing I have to say with this one is that I feel like this one makes my lashes pretty straight. I have to curl my lashes before I use this one because it's the only one that kind of weighs down my lashes, and my lashes are normally curly, so it's weird that it would straighten them, but it does. So that's the only thing with this one, but it's still really good. It's still really good. The last mascara of the bunch. Well, the good ones. I discovered this in a BoxyCharm, and I've never looked back. Never looked back. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I fell in love with this in a BoxyCharm. It was sent in a BoxyCharm, and I've loved it ever since. I get it during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sales because otherwise I'm not going to spend $24 on a mascara. But it's so good. This wand is really nice. This is probably my favorite wand out of any mascara just because it's thinner so it doesn't get all over your eyelids, but at the same time it really coats the lashes, makes them super voluminous, super long. This one does it all, but this combo, this mascara with this mascara, it's just, there's nothing that will beat it. This is the best combo in the entire world.
You need this combo.
That's my top mascaras. Love them all. Any of them will be great for you, I promise. Let's talk about the bad ones. I only have a couple, but let's just get them out of the way. The first one is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Girl, where? Where's the volume? Where's the curl? I don't know. I don't see it. Okay. I got this in a BoxyCharm and I wore it in the video. It was a long time ago. This one is just one of those mascaras. You know how like with the most mascaras you don't just do one coat, you do a second one, you do a third one. You can do as many coats as you want and it looks like you got no lashes. This ain't gonna do nothing to your lashes. It just doesn't do anything. Wander Beauty is a little more expensive anyway, so like why would you spend the money on this when you can get this? Like, I don't get it. No, it's just not good. I'm sorry. I love some Wander Beauty products, but not this one. I just really don't. I just really don't love this one. I'm really sorry, but it's just, I like the wand, but I just don't like the product. I'm sorry, Wander Beauty. Let's get on to the worst mascara I've ever tried in my life. I really thought I was going to love this mascara because of the ads on the mascara. Usually I can tell how I'm going to feel about it by that, but this one's just not good. This is the Maybelline Snapscara. I've never actually used a mascara that makes me look like I have less lashes than I do naturally, but this one does. This one does that. You just put it on and that's exactly what it does. It just makes you look like you have less lashes, and I don't even understand how that happens, but it happens with this one, and it's just not good, not cool. Mascara is supposed to give you more lashes, make you look like you have more lashes, not make you look like you have less. I don't get it. But that's what this one does, so I would say no to this one. I would say no to this one. I would say yes to this one. Okay? Okay guys, that is it. I know this video was pretty short and to the point, but you know, I gotta give you those good recommendations. If you liked me recommending these mascaras to you, I do have some other videos of different categories of makeup, highlighters, lipsticks, that type of thing. So I will make sure to leave those videos down below. If you guys want any other ones, make sure to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to do those for you guys. But if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on those little bell notifications so you are notified anytime I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, let me do these close-ups.